Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So whilst I'm editing this budget video, I decided to come up with a new series. So I'm using this video as sort of a mini announcement to the new series that I'm going to be doing hopefully in 2024. So if you know anything about my story, when it came to me paying off over 16k in debt and when it came to me saving over 10,000 in less than 12 months, one of the biggest reasons why I was able to do that was because of my budget. I absolutely love my budget. I do it every single month. I get my clients to do it and they absolutely love it too. And it's one of the biggest reasons as to why we have been able to save so much more money really quickly. And so what I thought is, how about I actually do a series where I get you guys to send in your budgets and I review them from a money coach perspective. And the reason why I decided to do this is because whenever I talk to people or I talk to my clients, one of the biggest things that I see is that when it comes to budgeting, so many people have different thoughts about it. Many people don't know how to budget. Many people feel restricted in their budget, so they don't like doing it. People feel like it's this really big, complicated process, or maybe people have been able to make a budget, but they've struggled to stick to the budget. And so they don't really end up saving as much, even though they may have a budget. And so what I thought is, in this series, I'm going to get some of you guys to actually share your budget with me so that I can review them and tell you what I think you should be focusing on, what I think you're doing well, what I think you could potentially improve on, so that hopefully you are able to use that, especially if you have a goal of saving more over the next year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you, and in there is going to be a form where you can fill it out. It's going to be totally anonymous. I'm not going to go and say your name when I do the video, so don't worry about that. But what I will do is I will actually share your budget, and then I will give you tips on how you can actually improve it and basically review it from a money coach perspective. So I'm really excited. I don't know how often I'm going to be doing those videos. It really depends on how many I receive. So please, I'm hoping that at least one of you will send through your budget so that I can review it. And I think it's just going to be great because I feel like I'm so used to sharing my budget, which is great, and I think that's a good example. But I want to be able to show other people's budgets, especially if you might have variable income, or if your income is different, or if your expenses are totally different. I want to be able to share how I would actually budget that money from that perspective and not just from my own budget. So I'm really excited. Again, the link will be in the description below for you. And if there are any other videos or topics that you want me to share in 2024, I am, starting to plan out what I want to do, because there are some changes that I want to make. I definitely want to hear your thoughts as well. So make sure you do let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you do want more personalized support when it comes to actually having your budget, if you're trying to save for your first 5k, that's what one-on-one coaching is for. So I will of course leave that in the description below for you as well. But I'm just really excited to review some of you guys' budgets. Whenever I do this with my coaching clients, I absolutely love it, and I think they love it too. But yes, I will leave it there, and I will see you guys hopefully soon with another video. Bye.